away, my people. It don't happen again. It don't bust. Not be smart, wonder shall never end, my people. Saga continue. I know say most of una know this lady, prophetess Grace. My people, not be small matter. Make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one finish. Not be small thing. They say kpkus boy catch kpkus, my people. Not be small thing. They say very soon. Say the kpkus say they go release and put for social media. Where boy for catch the kpkus. Not be small thing. And prophetess Grace come talk say he don't tell when they call him ashawo. Say in ashawo, my people. Not be small thing. After I don't talk, I go play the video for now. Not be small matter, not be small basketball. So even me, I will talk to lights. I say, what it be this one? Oh, wahala de, my people. Now that boy own, say boy catch kpkus, say they won't release that one. Now that one I choke me. No be small saga. Yeah. He say don't tell when they call him ashawo. Say he take calm. Say in ashawo. No be small thing. What it can they happen? May not come be say I too talk. Make I play the video for Ona. Enough is beer. Pesho. If your answer clear, wait for the pesho.
From the end to the
and wait if my answer there.
To the list. Ashawo.
Now your mama.
Ashawo.
Me abi ashawo okay accept. Accept. You go prove the ashawo. Then your honuko.
She said I should say
the biggest ashawo. Money love. Aproko. The biggest ashawo. The biggest ashawo. The biggest ashawo.
Please. They need some million. She said she said it now.
The biggest ashawo. The biggest ashawo. You get money. You get money. Not be my money you dey waste. You get money. Not be my money you dey waste. You get money. You get 1 naira. You get 1 naira. Not be my money you dey waste. Ashawo. Ashawo, you will bring yourself down. Go for your engineer. Now me they tell you now, call the name of the man when I fall. You will if you go for your own engineer. Your own engineer, you fall him.
That is right.
Ashawo. You they call me Ashawo and I hear but they call me Ashawo before. Your own waiting you be. Ashawo. Ashawo, your tone and water they bring.
See what she's saying.
Ashawo. You dey call me ashawo for your live video. Now you be the ashawo. You dey call me ashawo for your live video. Now you be the ashawo. What don't start? Do 10 video about me. I'm not gonna talk again. But wait till I go do you, Facebook go shake. Waiting I go do you, Facebook go shake. You when you go for your engineer. Ashawo. Talk about the thing and I go post am.
Should I shock you guys?
I go post am.
How can a prophetess
Ashawo
people? And because if they're talking, get their secrets, you go expose them.
Yes, so
anybody, even this Abby, she get all her secrets.
I not get Abby not do anything, no. Abby not do anything when he get secrets. Abby not do anything when he get secrets. Now you get secrets. Now you get secrets. You the fear of pesho. The fear of pesho is the beginning of prophetess Grace. Idiot. And they say yes, so and they forward them to you because now testimony.
Train others.
If I dey verse, instead of me to go quarry, I will forward them to you. But I never know you are a betrayer.
I never knew she can do it to me.
You are a betrayer, big betrayer.
You know,
and tomorrow you hear from me.
You go one shit for where you fed day.
Yes.
That kind of a thing.
Yes, now so.
Guilty conscience.
Yes, so. Enough you wait, Joe. Enough you wait, oh. Enough you wait, oh. Enough you wait. Enough you wait, oh. I get anything I go tell you today, I get the proof. If you call me ashawo, you go bring the proof out. You go bring the proof of my own ashawo out. Me, I go bring your own proof out.
You insult my husband.
Yes.
Because it's a rumor, I mean.
It's not rumor, no. It's not rumor, you do it. I hear it from your voice. You talk about it, you do it. It's not rumor, you do it. You do it. You don't have husband. Are you married? Are you married? They pay money for your heads. 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 They pay money for your heads.
Ministry of ashawo.
Deliver.
Hello.
You get?
I dey hear you.
You get?
I dey hear you.
Okay. Now, me saying you 100 last time you give this woman. I won't beg you, just let her go.
Thank you.
You understand?
No, let me go. I don't need to now. Who you give 100 euro? She not give me. She not give me 100 euro.
I can prove that.
She not give me 100 euro. She not give me 100 euro. God punish you. Who you give 100 euro? Who you give 100 euro? God punish you. I like the way prophetess they challenge this sleep. This one, I get. Wait till I go do you, Mugu goat, wait till I go do you. As you plan me, that's how I plan you. Shebi, you draw me out. I say, not draw me put for your saga. You say you not go sleep. You say you not go green. You say you not go green. You say you not go green. Yes.
Trust you.
Yes. Yes.
Trust you.
Yes. I snap and send for you. Poster. Poster.
Change.
Poster. If you get my total poster, me say if I get your nakedness finished. Poster.
So apparently there is fire on the mountain. There is too much confusion in the camp of the enemy. It seems the prophecy that Papa J gave on the 26th of March, it was actually meant to manifest at this very point in time. That prophecy is working in reverse. All the words of confusion that he prophesied towards the camp of baby testimony, it seems like now it's operating in reverse. His defense line, his front line of defense, his strong supporters and sons and daughters are now colliding. They are now exposing each other. And one thing I want to tell them is, they think this internal conflict, or they think whatever that is happening is a coincidence. What I want to tell them that this ain't no coincidence. This is none other than baby testimony. This is the spirit of baby testimony that is scattering the tables amongst them. And soon or later, they are going to expose each other. And soon or later, one amongst them is going to come out and tell us what they know about baby testimony. It's a process. And before they get to that point of them confessing and actually giving us what they know about baby testimony, they have to disgrace themselves first. But we warned them. We told them to stay very far, much away from baby testimony's case. These women are the very same women who came together simply because they wanted to defend Jeremiah Omoto for fame. They became allies. Their relationship was built on disgracing Sister Ruth Mathew. These are the very same women who used to do many videos on a daily basis, alleging that Ruth Mathew sold a child, alleging that Ruth Mathew is lying, embarrassing her, calling her names, saying all kinds of things concerning even her disability, her physical condition. But these are mothers who also have children. They never cared about baby testimony. They had formed this team together. These are people who used to stand together, fight together, and say all the horrible things you can think about against Sister Ruth Mathew and the baby testimony. But today, look at them. Look at what is happening amongst them. They are now exposing each other's ashawo's business. They can never call each other ashawos if they do not know what they do behind the scenes. And for real, I have no doubt it's just a group of ashawos. They are all ashawos. And I once told you that any mother who comes to claim that Ruth Mathew is lying, or who just does not have the heart to stand for a child that has been missing, is not a mother, but is an ashawo. Now it is between themselves. The fight is between themselves. I've received multiple videos of them clashing and, calling each other names, saying all sorts of things. exposing each other's businesses and everything that they built to fight against Sister Ruth Mathew. It looks like everything now is being broken down. Baby testimony spirit is scattering the table into pieces. He's dissolving the entire union that had brought them together. Because what had made them a strong team, it was the case of baby testimony. Not because they were advocating for baby testimony's justice, but because they were advocating for Jeremiah Omoto's justice. These are people who actually believe that Omoto had nothing to do with the abduction of baby testimony. These are people who were actually saying that Ruth Mathew is the one that sold baby testimony. But look at God now. Look at what is happening amongst themselves. It's only a matter of time. They are going to expose each other to the core. This case of baby testimony is no child's play. The spirit of baby testimony will avenge for every single evil thing that you have done on this case to obstruct his justice. For every ugly word that you have ever uttered against his mother. Baby testimony can sense. I believe he can see everything that you people have been doing. And I know he's going to push all of you to the confession box. For now, you are, embarrassing each other. You are disgracing each other. It's okay. But I know a time is coming when you actually bring the topic of the conversation that you are not aware of. That is the one which has caused you to be having this kind of a conflict. You might think that you are just disagreeing on certain things, or you're not getting along because of one or two rumors that circulated. But no. The issues that you think are the cause of the confusion in your camp, they are petty issues. The main issue that is causing you people to be running helter-skelter like this is the case of baby testimony. Because what brought all of you together was the case of baby testimony. What made you good friends was the case of baby testimony. And it is the very same case that is now causing you to expose each other. Both of you, if it is 4 of you, 6 of you, you are all ashamed to everything that women stand for. If you people could watch some of the videos that these goons did against baby testimony or against Sister Ruth Mathew, you feel bad, you feel pity for all of them. I know you guys, you've been sending me multiple videos saying, look at this, look at this. I'm not going to post any of that nonsense, the rest of the nonsense that they're doing. I don't care about all that. The only thing I care about, the only time that I'll be excited in whatever that they're doing is when they start talking about baby testimony. I know for now, it's building up. They are getting to a point whereby they'll start talking about what made them stand against baby testimony's case. And as for disgrace, she might have pretended. The last video that she did when she was apologizing, she was saying, I will not respond to anyone. I'm going to, when I see bad comments, with the case of baby testimony, you will wake up, mama. You will wake up from the slumber. You will finish what you started. If you thought you will remain silent forever, or you will have an escape, a soft landing, or you walk away from this free of charge, you lied to yourself. All of you, you'll be brought to book, and all of you will be held accountable for every piece of damage control that you did to obstruct baby testimony's justice. And someone sent me another short snippet of a message that was sent to disgrace. Is it by one of her members that she was working with to obstruct baby testimony's justice? Now they're all turning against her.
You are talking rubbish against Ruth.
Okay.
Ruth is ashawo. Ruth is ashawo. Ruth is ashawo.
Now see them.
So you are the main ashawo. Have you
I
seen
now
how
make this video
turn around? Have you seen all the Benin have given you saga? So you're to talk there aside.
Not all Benin.
Have you seen how mommy
Mommy Love and Kate are giving you wutu.
Okay now.
Have you seen? Where is Anita Chamber?
Okay.
Disgrace. Have you seen? So you are the main scammers, blackmailers, blacking people around you in your church. Fake. So you used to go to Babalawo.
Oh.
God will disgrace you.
Thank you, God.
You are no more fighting for Omoto again.
Yeah.
Omoto that's sleeping with you every day. So your Toto day aside.
They sleep with me every day.
Don't worry. Don't worry, Mommy Love will share that your Toto.
Okay.
That all the things she have. Don't worry. We will make her to saga you.
Okay.
We will hear everything around you.
Oh, now that's the meaning of the saga now.
So a girl that cripple. You are fighting roots. Fighting roots. Baby Tesma have hurting you. Wutu.
Hey, I don't want me to.
You are ready to go and sell.
Okay.
My people, share on don watch the video. Una don hear everything for the horse's mouth, where she for accept say she na ashawo, say that they call am, say she na ashawo, say she accept it. Not be small thing, my people. This one choke me. I don't know whether this one na real or na art na they add. So I not believe say this thing na real. Honestly, I know say prophetess Grace and this lady so they be sisters. They play well la. But this one now, when they come they quarrel, me I not can understand though. Not be small thing no. This one say inak, this one say inak, this one say inak manager, inak this one. I not can understand. Wetin come they happen. I not can understand though. Yeah, wetin come they happen. No, I not believe this one are acting. This one say na ashawo. This one say he can't talk say they can't talk say again for inside the conversation. They say kpkus say boy catch kpkus. Say the kpkus say very soon say they go release the kpkus. Put for social media, make everybody for see the kpkus where boy for catch the kpkus. Say na prophetess na snap the kpkus. Go give the other lady when both of them get misunderstanding. So say very soon say the kpkus where the boy catch say they go release them. Not be small matter. My people may not come beside to talk my live for now. Thank you guys for watching, and then I so much appreciate you guys. Guys, share this video and don't forget to thumbs up. Make una share. Yeah. Matter don't read though, you don't say. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.